just a real quick video to let you know that I haven't forgotten about you. I've just been really busy. Winter's coming on. I've got lots of people suddenly wanting wood fires. So I've had to leave the Landrover and spend a bit of time in the workshop while the weather's crappy doing this.
Over 20 years ago, I built myself a little house truck and I rolled around the country with a travelling circus. But during the winter it got really cold in the little house truck and I could not find a small stove that I could use to cook on and keep warm. So I ended up making my own, like this one that we're looking at now, out of a wee propane bottle. I've got loads of videos on here that show you all about it. Here's some of the features. A butterfly damper which controls the draw on the chimney and allows you to slow it down overnight. This model's got a window and a different kind of air control. It also has a wraparound heat shield that allows you to push it into corners, and it's also got an ash pan down the bottom so you don't have to manually clean the ash out when you've had a fire. It's much larger and it will burn through the night. Now these stoves have all been featured in previous videos. If this is the kind of thing that you would like to have for yourself, have a look at my older videos. There's a link appearing up the top just now, and you can see exactly how they're made. They cost very little to make yourself, and you can keep nice and toasty warm over the winter in a small space with one of these little handmade stoves. If you're going to build yourself one of these stoves, drop me a line down below in the comments, or in the comments on any of the videos that you watch regarding the stove that you like the look of, and I'll see how I can help.